Philip, new innovations here from Horn. What have we got? Tell us what you're showing.
Here we are showing a new geometry for titanium and also a tool holder combined with a sensor where you can measure the wear of the insert.
Right, so what we're doing here is transmitting back data to the machine that we've got behind us in order to know whether we need to, or we can up the feeds, back off on the speeds to get the best tool life.
Correct. Here you can measure, for example, which cutting forces you have on your insert with a certain feed rate or cutting speed.
Okay, now looking at this, so you've got a wire coming out of this unit. Is that the case for every tool then? You have to have, it looks like what we've got here.
At the moment it is just a prototype. I mean, maybe for the future it is wireless. So this is just the beginning of these type of tools. So this is, as I said, just a prototype.